everyone, and welcome back to another video where today we are trying to win with the worst shotgun in the game. Now, like a lot of people know this gun, and it's absolute trash. It's the what do you call it? The Dragon Breath shotgun. Now, it hits kind of good in the terms of its damage. Its reload is shocking, yeah. So yeah, I just want to let everyone know. Thank you for all the views on the Mandalorian challenge. That it was really very nice on the on how it was done. It was like, that's very nice. Thank you, everyone. So yeah, by the way, I won't be doing day-to-day, day-to-day, videos anymore, like daily videos. I'll be doing just the Christmas series, because I'm doing the ultra, videos, now. So, like, I now do them, so like I'll have to record on that channel, and I have to record on this channel, so I will only be doing, I mean, I can do stuff in between, but yeah, so yeah, I just wanted to warn everyone about that. I'm not gonna do just the gun, because I need other weapons. Wait. Oh, you're trolling. Now I need to do this. What? Ooh! They're good against AI, I'll give them that. And now, where is he? I'm gonna upgrade both of these. Yeah, I'm gonna upgrade both of them, because it's not actually a bad delay between them. There we go. Thank you, mate. Thank you. Now I just need to kill him. Wait a second. I know what I should have done. Should have jawed him. I would have gotten better loot. He didn't. He does not drop it. It's kind of dark, not gonna lie. Yeah, so we just need ammo. Oh, there's IO gods there. Oh no. So we're just gonna try and win with this shotgun. This shockingly bad. Oh, who needs to find them when you get them? Yeah, I'm gonna need a tactical AR just for like some close range. Peppers are good, I guess. Oh. Oh, that was a. The aimbot gun is what I call that. Ooh, video ideas. Not gonna lie. They'd better not be following me. Please don't follow me. Yeah, we must roar on them. So what do you call it? Oh, that was lucky. I nearly hit that. Might need a big pot. Yeah, I was just gonna ask for that. Yeah, I never use this gun, but like, I guess first time for everything, I guess. Oh, chuggies as well. Let's go. We're getting all the meds in the town, boys. Yeet. We do need to take these IO guards out. Okay, that's one. Okay. I just don't want to take any damage from them. Where's the next one? I'm gonna breathe on him. Oh my god. If you have close range, this gun is cooked. Holy Mother Teresa. This is a cooked gun. But it's just its reload time is not its greatest. What does this guy? Oh, it's gold. Yeah, I did spend a lot of gold on this guy, so like I do need more. Oh, attack. I'm actually growing this, like recording this video. I'm actually growing on this gun. Jeez. I mean, I'm saying this now. Works good on AI. Yeah, I'll take that. Take that as well. Getting all my challenges done as well. Like, I want to level up. I do want to level up. Actually, you know what? I know this is probably a bad decision, but I'm taking that. Reason being because I took the SMG earlier, and I literally mowed him down. I mowed it down. Again, this video is not going to be edited. Okay, I just want to explain something about the videos for Ultra. Yes, I'm like recording them. Yeah, I know, but they will be edited. Reason being, mine is not edited because mine are not because I can't edit my videos. And the person that editing the Ultra is an Ultra, and I asked like he said he would do it. I asked, could you edit my videos, and he said no, so I'm still not editing my own videos, but those will be edited. Well, but we'll be uploading like once a week maybe, so like yeah, that's something to look forward to. Yeet us. No, just looking at something. I just want to wait, what's the max damage with this? 160. Why? Oh, we have a cheeky little player here. I mean, I'm good with pistols. Huh. Now, with the... Really? Like, you're actually doing this? I am a guy using the worst shotgun in the game, so like, please be gentle. I'm gonna shockwave up this mountain. Actually, no, not a good idea. I need movement if I don't have the best shotgun. I mean, let's try and thunder pump him. Oh, body shot as well. Holy high. Mate. Okay, I did that for a good cause. Oh, flippity flop. Yes, I did just say flippity flop. We go again. Please get sniped. I so hope this kid gets sniped. What is this back bling? No. I do not agree with that back bling. Pickaxe is cool. Oh, he's fighting AI. Okay. You need to fight AI when you have that as a gun. It's just, you need to. Okay, round 2. Hopefully I do not die. Oh, wait. I have, like, in all these videos, I'm still on a streak of not winning because I'm that bad. So, like, this is pretty much videos of me dying, so, like, please leave a like because, like, I'm dying for content. Haha, but literally, I'm dying. content ideas. So if you could like give me some ideas, I will do them. I will take any that because I'm struggling to keep up with the everyday thing, and I'm running out of ideas. And also the ultra thing, I need ideas for. So like, yeah. But we have a video for tomorrow and for for Saturday's video as well. Yeah. Oh great, hot drop. Not what I wanted, but we'll go with it. At this time, I'm only gonna get one because I wasted too much gold. I'm allowed to kill anyone before I get the gun, but then after that, oh, what? Who comes to Misty? Who comes to Misty? Huh? Well, we're gonna have to take a few gamers out before it comes to the real fight. No one kill him. No one kill him. Okay, we've got ammo. Just throw the bullets at them. Yeah, more ammo. Ah, finally a gun I can use. Great, great. Love it. Love this game. Oh, for flippity flop sakes. Give me this flopper and I'm yeeting out of here. Not literally, but... How are you not dead? Thank you for dying. I know that sounds harsh, but like, thank you for dying. Now, we have the meds. We have the meds. Just now, yeet. Wait, no, I need to upgrade it. Just upgrade. Thank you. Okay. Can I duel you just for your pistol, mate? Thank you. Oh, for fuck's sake. I don't want to do this. Oh, no. Why? If that was a headshot, he'd be dead. Oh, lippity flop. Well, playing another game we are, because that one was way too quick. I don't like the charge, so I'm just trying to go for something new. But still, this is not working. Because I do not like the gun. Just counting how many videos like we could do in the case of 5 months. Okay, back to game 2. Now, we're on back to game 3. Hopefully this does not take too long. No, hopefully I actually live. Yeah. Yeah, I'm all fired up and it's dragons in Fortnite. Oh yeah, we have a stream tomorrow on Twitch, twitch.tv, twitch.aw quality TV, twitch.tv, I can't say it. Oh, I can't say it like Fresh does. Yeah, sorry I'm like getting these videos out late, because I know when this video is gonna come out, around about 12:35, my time, Middle Eastern. Okay, wait, what the hell? And I have this glitch again. This is sick. This is not okay. I hate going to the left. god. Oh, finally it stopped. Yeah, these wings though. I'm a dragon. I had to embrace the dragon. Hey! This guy's got a dragon. Maybe he's trying to do the same challenge. Yeah. Let's hope that I'm not gonna die. Let's just hope for this. Now I'm gonna go down to him first. Yep, okay, he's over here. Nah. Give me your gun. Thank you. No, I don't care. You're trolling! Wait, where did he get the gun from? Where did he get the gun from? Huh? Ah, well, that'll be the end of the video. We had a good first game, then the other two were just great. Lovely. Yeah, that'll be the end of the video. If you liked it, please leave a like, and then we'll see you in the next video, which will be tomorrow. And I have stuff uploading on the Ultra channel in the as well. Link in the description. Bye.